Ready?
Yep.
Okay, go.
If you're vegan and miss a country-style gravy, keep watching.
Is that what we're doing today?
Guess what you're doing?
Okay.
That's what you're doing. Tell us. Oh, well, let's start.
Okay, we'll start. Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
So way back in the day, 20 plus years ago, before I was vegan, Katie will attest to this, my favorite brunch when we would go out was what?
Country fried steak.
Yep. Chicken fried steak.
Oh, chicken fried steak. Whatever.
Yeah.
Clearly, I don't remember.
They did as well.
Well, since you pointed it out.
You're fired for a seventh time. I think we're 7 now.
Probably.
So today we're gonna be making a vegan gravy, and super simple. We're gonna be using Impossible Foods. They make a savory breakfast sausage, and then with that we've got some fresh shallots and garlic. We also have some fresh sage. Sage, I love sage.
Sausage is not sausage without sage.
I totally agreed. And then some yummy spices. For the milk, we're gonna be using a cashew milk because it's kind of a neutral taste. There isn't really a lot, it doesn't skew to a taste. But we're going to be putting this on a breakfast pizza that we're making very soon.
You could also put it on homemade biscuits.
Yeah, you could use this.
Assuming it turns out.
Yes.
Which I'm assuming it will.
Yes, it will turn out. It will turn out. So, oh ye of little faith.
No.
Let's make some gravy.
Let's make some vegan sausage gravy. We're going to start out heating our pan up with a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to get some shallots and garlic into the pan. Get those warmed up for probably 3 to 5 minutes until they're translucent, and then we're going to throw in some Impossible sausage. They make a savory sausage that you can use for breakfast, and we're going to get that browned up. Now that our Impossible sausage is ready, we're going to add in our flour. I'm adding just a little bit at a time and then stirring it up until it's incorporated, and then adding another dose of it. For us, it took 3 times to get it all mixed in properly. Now that the flour is all incorporated, we're going to get our milk in. I'm opting to use a cashew milk for this because it's a pretty neutral taste. And like the flour, I'm just going to add a little bit at a time so it slowly incorporates itself in and thickens slowly. All the milk is in and the gravy looks great. It's starting to thicken up, so we're going to add in our spices and our nutritional yeast. And once that's combined, we're just going to add in our fresh herbs, which is just some fresh sage and chives. We're going to stir that up to combine, and then we're going to cover it and take it off the heat.
You know, we got the bigger piece again.
Yep, I took the bigger piece.
No, I have the bigger piece. Maybe it's just shaped differently.
Yeah, I don't know. I dropped yours on the floor.
We didn't have any biscuits, but we did have homemade sourdough, so...
we have gravy.
Yeah, we have gravy.
It looks awesome, smells awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bits of the sage.
I know, and like chunks of sausage.
Yes. Impossible sausage. So Thank you. All right,
cheers.
Here we go. Let's see how it tastes.
It's good.
You said earlier you're not a huge fan of gravy, but you're happy how this turned out.
Yes. I can appreciate that if you were a gravy person, you would like this, even if you thought plants were hoo-ha, nonsense.
Right. I think the fresh sage is like the star of the show.
Yeah.
In my opinion.
It's like the first thing forward.
Yeah.
It's got a perfect texture.
Yeah.
There's no weird nut milk. Use cashew, right? So it's like super neutral.
Yeah. And the seasoning was pretty simple. It was just salt, pepper, and some smoked paprika.
Yep.
And a little bit of nutritional yeast.
And I feel like you could make this gluten-free easy too, using like the tapioca flour or the Bob's Red Mill gluten-free flour.
I agree.
We use regular all-purpose, but
think it turned out well.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you. Thank you. I will take that compliment. I don't get many. It's a rough life over here.
Very rough. R-U-F-F rough.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed. Please share any thoughts, comments down below that you would like us to make. And
Be kind.
eat pizza
With plants.
and gravy.
Occasionally.
Okay, is it too much?
It's an occasional thing,
Okay.
gravy. Yes.
Okay, don't eat gravy all that often.
It's a treat.
Okay, goodbye.
Thank you.